All right, so as you can see, I got the hood propped open. Our edges are perfectly dried here. Now, the first way and the most common way that I see people wrapping edges with paint protection film is with a squeegee. So just take your squeegee, you come around to the outside, and then you just take the squeegee and very carefully with your thumbs, you wrap the film around the corner. And then you move yourself up a little bit and you just do the exact same thing. Now this works, as you can see. It's a very, very flat panel. There's zero tension on the film whatsoever, so this does work quite well. I just find this to personally be a bit of a very time consuming and a waste of time. There we go. And there you go. Now that I have that down, all I need to do is I need to take and go along this edge from top to bottom. Won't be able to get the squeegee down in there, but we got that down. Okay, so now we're on the other side. We have this edge to wrap. So we did the squeegee on the other side, on the passenger side of the hood. Now, just the old-fashioned, use the thumb to wrap the film around. This can be a bit painful if you use too much pressure. When the film is completely dry, this does work quite well. It's just very, very time consuming as well too. Okay, now if that's done, we can go right along this edge. Finger will work to get down into the back corner over there where no squeegee will, so that works there. So we've gone ahead and I've showed you guys how to do it with the squeegee. I've showed you guys how to do it with thumb. Now we'll do the front edge and I'm going to show you my preferred way to wrap edges. Okay, so my preferred way to wrap edges, you can do this two ways with a wrap glove, or you could just take a microfiber towel, get it nice and wet. Now I'm going to take and pull the hood down. I'm going to hold the hood just with one hand. Now I have the film, or I have the microfiber towel wrapped around my thumb. And I like to go back and forth, slowly pushing the film down into place. You can see how every time I go past, the film sits down just a little bit nicer. Especially when you get to these corners on the front there, where these corners they want to crease. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to trim the film off in those corners because I don't want them to crease. But I just find this method of gliding your thumb back and forth, slowly pushing the film down, I find personally this method works best, especially for me, because I find that it helps eliminate the potential of any air or moisture bubbles being caught along the edge of the PPF or the edge of the panel. And there you go. Not a whole lot to this video. I just want to demonstrate 3 different ways to wrap edges. I have been asked about this in the past. So I figured what better time to make a video on it than now. We have a very simple, basic Tesla hood to demonstrate on. I'm kind of curious, if you're a paint protection film installer, you've been doing this for a while, or if you're just started, how do you wrap your edges and how do you prefer to wrap your edges? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.